Everyone tells you to build an AI side project. Nobody tells you which ones are actually worth your weekend. Let me fix that. The best AI side projects share one trait. They solve a small, annoying problem for a specific person, not an app for everyone. A tool for one frustrated group. Here are 3 that work. 1. A niche summarizer. Think a tool that turns long city council meeting notes into plain English recaps for local residents. 2. An automation that watches a Google Sheet and drafts personalized emails using an AI model. 3. A micro SaaS that rewrites product descriptions for small online shop owners. Boring? Good. Boring problems have paying customers. Now the concrete step. Do this today. Open a free tool like Google Colab or a no-code platform like Make. Take one repetitive task you personally hate, say, summarizing your unread newsletters. Connect an AI API, feed it one sample input, and get one usable output. That's it. You now have a working prototype of version 0.1. Don't build the whole thing. Build the ugliest possible version that does one job, then show it to 5 people who have that problem. If they lean in, keep going. If they shrug, you just saved yourself a month. About money, be realistic. Most first projects earn nothing, and that's normal. The real return early on is skill and a portfolio piece that proves you can ship. Some builders eventually charge a small monthly fee once real people rely on the tool, but that's a consequence of usefulness, not a promise. Pick one idea, build the tiny version this week, and comment with what you made. I read every one.